Hey guys, welcome to my video. I am going to be installing these floor mats on this Jeep SRT Grand Cherokee. It's 2015. I have the 2016 over there, which is basically the same from the inside and the body style. It's the WK2. So yeah. So first I'm going to be removing this, the original, which you just take off from right here and then take it out. You guys can see the original doesn't cover that much. It's ripped right here. It's the original mat from the car. So now we're gonna put this one, the VIWIK floor mat. It's pretty easy. Just place it down. Make sure we put it in here so it won't be moving and stuff. That's down. This is the other one. So yeah, like that, it won't be moving around. Let me show you guys how it looks. So yeah, it's just like they say, it fits to the size. Let me go in here so you guys can see. It doesn't bother or anything. My shoes are dirty because we have sand, dirt and stuff. Yeah, it doesn't bother. I'm gonna install the other ones. Fits to the size and stuff. You don't have to adjust anything. You just gotta put them in here, the little loops, so they won't be moving. So same thing on this one. We'll take it out from the little things here, the little secure spots it has. Let me see. Take out your original if you have any from right here. Just put it out of place and just remove them. And then we'll put this one in place. Same thing, just place it in there and then put the camera down so I can adjust it real quick. So yeah, same thing, the little loops right here, put it in the hole so they won't be moving around and stuff. Pretty easy, pretty simple. There it goes, it's in. So like that, it won't be moving around. So pretty easy to install. There we go. So this will protect your actual car mat and stuff. Won't damage it if you ever sell it or something. And they're easy to wash and stuff. Pretty good plastic, hard plastic. It doesn't move around or anything once you install it. Let me see. I'll show you guys right here. So that just goes in there. Like I say, my shoes are dirty because I have dirt right here in the driveway. So these little spots make it secure and it won't be moving around and stuff, you know. So we're gonna be installing the last one. Let me remove these. So as you see, it doesn't have any protection right here for anybody that sits in the middle. Move these out of the way. Put in this new one. So now it has protection right here. I'll show you guys right now. When put it in place. These wires are little lights that I have right here on the bottom. Need to fix them and stuff. Okay. So that's good. Once you go in the core. So yeah, once you go in the car, it has protection right here, has protection on the sides so your carpet won't get damaged. Your original carpet. I'll show you guys right now. So yeah, it's pretty. Control my camera here. So yeah, it's in place. Protection right there. Protection everywhere where they're gonna put their feet in and stuff. Especially if you drive like an Uber and stuff, it'll be good for your car. Have nice protection. They do have different vehicle floor mats I've seen from the VIWIK company. So make sure you check them out. It's pretty good for the price. Thanks for watching. Yeah, like I say, I have two Jeeps. The other one on that side is 2016. This is 2015. Both of them are the same body style, so both of them fit. I could have put it on the other one, but this one, I chose this one and stuff. But this is a 2015 Jeep. So yeah, if you guys like my video, just make sure you like it, and also check out this product. These floor mats that they sell on Amazon. I'll put the info on the video. Thanks for watching.